So in today's video, I'll be trying out the Lito X1. I'll be using my RC2 controller. This is my newest one, and this has all been happening after the latest updates, guys. I'll come to a different location. Some of you might recognise it, maybe a lot of you don't. This is what I class as an abandoned golf resort that never got finished. You see later on in the video, it's just massive. And I thought this would be a good place to try out the advanced return to home. Now, I get a lot of people saying, what's the advanced return to home? It's just the same as return to home, which it is really. Once you fly your drone and you press return to home, the drone just comes back and lands on its landing pad, doesn't it? But if you flew it from, say, inside a building, that then becomes, this is the way I get it, then that becomes the advanced return to home, because it's using all its sensors, it's using its LiDAR. Yeah, I think that's about it. If you can think of a simpler response to that, add it below in the comments, but that's the way I see it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I've only got one battery, guys. I've only just got here as well. I just need to, I might have to do a couple of experiments, but let's get on with a test, shall we? So I'm just going to set the drone up. Now, as I always do, before I go out, I always set the drones up so I have no problems, you know, especially like updates. And I did this all yesterday evening. And I'm just going to put on the controller. So the drone's on, the controller's just kicking in now. Now, because I always use screen record so you guys can see what's going on the controller, I've got to thank Nick for this. Right, so the drone's all ready to take off, but I want to do a screen record. So I've been told now, hopefully, at the moment it's not ready. But Nick said to me, when he watched that video I put up the other day, you've got to wait about 45 seconds and then suddenly it will highlight itself, the record screen button. At the moment it's not, but it just takes about 45 seconds. It's just, you can keep scrolling to eventually. I've just had to be patient. I mean, hopefully DJI will sort this out. Now, this has been on for a couple of months. I don't understand. With the latest update that we had, they said that they didn't even know about it. Even though everybody, well, not everybody, but most people would be moaning about it. Here we are. Right, it's ready now. Right. So now you can see what's going on the screen. I'm just going to get the vision assist. I like using the vision assist. Right, another thing, what I might do in here is put it onto brake. Okay, so I've got it in normal mode. Let's get the drone up in the air. I've got plenty of clearage there, obviously, because I'm in a building anyway.
Take off.
Okay.
Home point updated.
Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to send it up a little bit more. Right, it's picking up. I think what it is, I'm just too close to that. I'm too close to that. Right, so I'm going to send it down a little bit more. Right, I'm just going to send it out on a little mission. I don't want to make it too complicated, because as you can see, there's a few twigs about. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to try, because I've only got 12 satellites, but I don't tend to worry about that. Well, I'm just going to, this is the first one. I just want to see how well it does in this environment. Then I think what I'll do, I'll bring the landing pad back a little bit. So this is what's classed as a
environment ahead.
Okay, so you press.
Monitor environment during RTH.
I always have to check. So you press that C2 button. All right. Now this is what I wasn't getting when I was at abandoned farm. I think mainly because the doorways were just too narrow. But this, it should cope with. And looking at it, it's pretty much is. Right, so it's coming in. You should see it go past me in a minute. It's just going past me now. It is amazing. Right, so that was the first test. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up another one, just a little bit more complicated. So it's just landing. I've still got about 88% on the battery. Right, so I'm going to set up another one. I'm reset up myself. I've got the drone still on the same stuff. Let's get the drone in the air.
Take off.
What I'm going to try and do is just line it up there. And then I'll put it into cinematic. Because guys, it doesn't matter. Once you press return to home, it'll come back in normal anyway. So this way, it's just makes it right. It's weird. Right, I need to put that up a little bit now because there's some undergrowth just there. And to be honest, that vision assist is so helpful. As you can see that little twig there. Right, okay, it's let me in. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Right, I'm going to turn the drone now because there's too much undergrowth there. I'm just looking for a bit of a clearing. And I'm going to see if I can go through this gap here. And you can see already, can't you, that there's loads of... Okay, so it won't do that. So, see if I can go through this gap. Right, off we go. Right, and then I'm going to send it up. Right, now this would be interesting because that was quite what I call complex. Okay, so amazing place, isn't it? Right, let's do return to home. I think the sun's got
Return to home.
I think the sun's got to me already. Right, let's just see what happens, eh? As you can see, look at that lot. The drone's got to work this out. Okay, it's probably going to come up with a complex environment in a minute.
Complex environment ahead.
Yeah, so press the...
Continuously monitor environment during RTH.
Yeah, we're doing the C2 button. And you can see now, you can see the route that it's planning. I'm checking the battery, we're still right on power, which is good. And if you remember, just back there, where all those bushes were, that was a little bit difficult, and I had to sort of reroute it, but it still, yeah, did it. And at the moment, it's all looking good. And as you can see, oh, no, the satellite's come back in. What I must stress, guys, is you've got to make sure, I can see the drone now, hopefully you can see that on the camera. Right, it stopped. Right, I'm just going to press, and it hasn't said it, but I'm just going to press the C2 button. Right, I didn't read that. Right, it stopped. Okay, so it's come out of its... Oh, that's a shame because I was hoping that was going to work. I know what it is. There's like I call it a weed. Right, yeah, this is me controlling it now, so it's probably going to crash. So the home point's just updated. The screen save things come on after me 45 seconds. So same again. Let's get it going. Okay, I've
Takeoff.
de-weeded it.
Point updated.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it back into sin mode, because that's what happens, guys, that when you return to home, it automatically goes into normal mode anyway, if you didn't know that. Right, so off we go again. It's already getting hot here. I've got sweat in my eyes. Right, if you noticed, I'm going through it quite quickly now because I got rid of those friggin' weeds. Right. Okay. Okay, so it didn't like that gap. Don't know why, because it's quite big. Right, I'm going out through this way. Okay, just turn it. Right, off we go. Raise it up. And we do it again. We just go down here a little bit. I'll do it a little bit further this time, so you've got some idea how big this place is, because it's massive, guys. And there's more. This is just the small part of it. There's more. Okay, so I think that's a good distance. So let's apply the return to home.
Return to home.
Right, now even though it's still got C mode up there, it is coming back in normal, as you can tell by the speed of it. I'm just going to turn it around a minute. I don't know if you can see the amount of sweat, it's just dripping off my nose. Right, anyway, it's coming down in. Let's turn it back round for you guys. You might be able to catch it in a moment.
Complex environment.
Okay, so.
Continuously monitor environment during RTH.
Right. Now apparently this can come up a lot, not just the once. But I think today, I can't see it just yet. Okay, it's managed to, I still can't see it just yet, but it's doing well. I can just see it now. We ain't got to that bit where it stopped. That is, to me, is where those weeds were. And looking at, yeah, I think it was just about here where I flattened those weeds is where it stopped. And looks like this time I can just see one flaky weed that must have popped up anyway, and obviously stopped it. So it's coming in. I am pretty amazed what this thing can do. I mean, we're talking about a budget drone here, and I did think on my previous test I did with this, I thought DJI messed up, but they haven't. So I've got to say a big thank you to DJI. It's coming in. Is it going to turn around? Yes. Not dead on the mat, but hey, that's good enough. Okay, I'm just gonna shut everything down and we'll have a quick chat, guys. Okay, just want to prove, let's have a look at the time, because it can't be that late. Yeah, it's just coming up to 10 o'clock now. And no, I haven't wet myself. It's just the heat, guys. So this is another part of these tests to see how well the battery's doing this heat. That went pretty well, didn't it? I'm scratching my face. I'll tell you what, it's so hot, you just can't believe it. Anyway, I thought that went really well. And if you watched my previous video about a week ago or so, guys, I'm rolling these videos out and I forget just how long ago I made them. But anyway, I went back to that abandoned museum. Yeah, I was concerned that DJI messed it up, but they hadn't. And you can see here, the first test, it didn't go very well, but the second, no problem. But that was only because those weeds were in the way. So anyway, main thing, guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you're thinking about getting a Lito, I keep being told, the Lito X1, I'm not sure about the Lito one. I don't think it can do this advanced return to home, but I definitely can say the Lito X1, If you're saving up to buy a drone, and maybe it's your first one, get it, because you're going to be really impressed with it. So anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.